Mamshies, we're driving here in Vegas at nighttime. Hindi masyado maraming kotse ngayon mga Mamshies. Mga Mamshies, nagda-drive tayo. Going to pick up some food for tonight. Hindi tayo nagluto. So, sama ko lang kayo sa driving ko, okay? Ayan. We're gonna go ahead and pick up some food for dinner. So, sama ko lang kayo again. Oh my gosh, dito tayo order mga Mamshies. Itong restaurant na to, but they're closed. Oh my gosh, they're closed. This is where we're supposed to order. So, tingnan natin kung saan tayo makakabili ng pagkain. Sarado yung orderan natin. I saw it online, open pa sila, pero they're closed. So, oh no, I don't know. We'll find out where to get some food. Update ko kayo mga Mamshies. Mamshies, alis na tayo doon. Try natin yung isang Chinese restaurant here, close to our place as well. So tingnan natin kung open pa sila. Check lang natin kung open pa sila. Ayan. Labas tayo ulit sa Main Street. Ayan. Stoplight tayo dito mga Mamshies, pero moving naman. Around this time medyo maraming kotse sa amin. So we're gonna go to this place called Taste. It's a Chinese restaurant too, so let's see if they're still open because 8:30 na Mamshies. 8:30 na guys dito, so let's see if they're still open. Hopefully they are, because I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Let's see if they're open. Here you go. Patawirin muna natin sila. Here you go. Tapos tayo na. And let's see if they're still open. Oh yeah, they are open. They're open. So what we're gonna do is place an order first. Actually, we can back up here. We can just order here. Dito tayo order Mamshi's. Not there, but over here. Itong Chinese restaurant right there. Yung Taste. So, there you go. Parking muna tayo dito. Let's place an order. And they're open right there. Right there. Yan yung orderan natin, Mamshi's. Okay? Balikan ko kayo. Nandito na tayo. Pipikapin na natin ang order natin. Ito ngayon na yung order natin. Yan mga Mamshi's, na-pick up na natin yung order natin. Uwi na tayo. Alrighty. Uwi na tayo mga Mamshi's. Thank you for coming with me. And I hope you guys somehow, somewhere enjoyed the little trip that we did. There you go. And we are going home now. So we're back on the road. Sarap mag-drive pag walang sasakyan. So, ang in-order natin is roast duck, some string beans, walnut shrimp, and Mongolian beef. Oh my gosh, sorry. Nahilo na. Alrighty guys, I'll show you guys the food later on, okay? I'll see you.
For watching this here video.